get the writing answers.
Okay, you may get the right answer if you read the entire problem. Do you think it's smart for me to read really fast?
No. You at least need to read it 2 times.
Okay, read it at least 2 times. That 2 times is going to help you be able to understand the problem a little bit better. We're going to look at some word problems. I'm going to write it on the desk, and I'm going to actually let you read it from here. You're going to try to work this problem out. Let me read it. Meg had 8 pears in her basket. Then she picked 6 more pears. After that, she gave away 5 pears to her friends. How many pears are in her basket now? I'm going to leave this here so you can read it. You need to read it again. I want you to have some private think time, so if you want to move over just a little bit. I want you to try to figure out what this answer might be. Just completely close it down. Make the screen black, and then when you turn it back on, it will work. Meg had 8 pears in her basket. Then she picked 6 more pears. After that, she gave away 5 pears to her friends. How many pears are in the basket now?
So have you sorted my colors yet?
Wait for Martha to join us.
Has anybody sorted my colors yet? Good. So, and then it says, count how many M&Ms you have for each color. Is it 179, 81? I have to share it. We do
What are you doing? Tell me why you're subtracting.
Because she gave away 5.
Okay. So let me read the story problem one more time. I want you to listen, because we're going to read it as many times as we have to in order to understand what we're doing. Meg had 8 pears in her basket. Then she picked 6 more. After that, she gave away 5 pears to her friends. So what's the first thing that you have?
That she had 8 pears in her basket, and then she picked 6 more pears. She is getting. I figured out my mistake. She's adding.
Okay, she's adding what?
6. She's adding 8 and 6.
Okay, let's try that first.
I can figure out in that
Completely turn it off.
That's what we did. We did.
Go and grab an iPad then, baby.
To work together. I didn't.
You two work together real quick to talk about your pictures that you drew.
So I'll go first. So draw 8 pairs. Did you get that? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 8, and then you so put 6. So draw 6 more. Right, 6 right there, and then you take 5 away. So you would go 8 plus 6 equals 14. 14 minus 5 equals 9. It still won't work. You're gonna have to log into.
You have a good start, okay? So Keely, can you explain why you first added it?
Because at first I subtracted and then I knew my mistake. I was supposed to add 8 plus 6.
Okay. So Tanner, what is 8 plus 6?
8 plus 6 equals 14.
Okay, so let's put 14. Now in this problem though, in some of our problems, we're going to have to do 2 things. Okay, so we first had to do 1 step. What was the first step that we had to do?
You drew 8 circles.
Okay.
And then it said put 6 more. So
How did you know to add that?
because it says Megan had 8 pairs and it said add them.
Let him talk. And he did what?
It said Megan has 8 pairs and you circle an 8. You put 8 down and then you add 6 more and then after that she said take away 5 and that was and she gave her a print and that was 9.
Awesome job. Okay, let's go ahead. I'm going to give you one of these. So, if you notice, this is what they did as well. They drew a picture, okay? So let's look at the picture that they drew. They had 8 pairs here, and she got 6 more. And then it said that she gave away 5 pairs. Keely, what does it mean to when they say give away? Do you add or subtract?
Subtract.
Okay. So if you look here, she circled 5 pairs to give those away. And so how would you figure out how many she had left?
Because you count the circles that you have left.
Okay, so you count the circles that you have left. Okay. Let's go ahead and turn to the page. I'm going to leave mine out so we can see the picture because we're going to look at this picture again in just a second. So let's look here in step 1. It says, what happens in step 1 of this problem? So let's look at step 1. What happens in step 1 of this problem? You can look at this picture.
She has 8 pairs and she gets 6 more.
Okay, so does she add or subtract? Okay, so we're going to add 6 more pairs. So on number 2, go ahead and write what happens in this. What happens in this? What happens in this step?
She has 8 pairs plus 6 more pairs and then she...
Okay, so just step 1. So what does she do?
She picks 8 pairs and then she picks 6 more pairs.
So what happens in step 2? So all of you, most of you drew a picture out. Tanner drew an equation as well. So in the second part, your number 3, you're going to have an equation. What equation matches her picture? So an equation is a math problem. What math problem could I write to match this picture of 8 pairs and 6 more?
8 plus 6 equals 14.
Write that in number 3. problem would I have for this?
8 plus 6.
That is the first step. So again, like I said, we had to do two different things in this story problem. So we had to add first. What happened in step 2 then, Luke? What happened in this step?
They took away 5.
Okay, so let's go ahead and write that on our next line. She had to take away 5. She gave 5 pairs away.
Can I just write she did?
So what equation would go with that?
14 equals 9.
Good job. So I had 14 pairs to start with, and I gave away 5. 14 minus 5. Okay, I want you to think to yourself and do number 6. It says, how is a 2-step problem different than a 1-step problem? How is a 2-step word problem different from a 1-step problem? And write your answer on the lines, and we'll start tomorrow with this.